Hey everyone, I just wanted to verify that this is what I look like now, and those videos on my YouTube channel are like, I want to say, they're probably closer to like, ow, she's calling, they're probably closer to like 3 years old, and I don't really like how people are saying like mean comments about me, like, for people who do videos on YouTube and decide to sing, be prepared for people to write comments on how good or how bad you sound, because you might think you're beautiful at singing, but other people might have their other opinions, and someone gonna write on it is saying, like, you can't just sit there and be like, oh well, you're fat too. Like, no, I don't use YouTube, and I use YouTube, but I don't use it to update myself every day. Oh yeah, today I got like this makeup product, and tomorrow, like, I don't do that. I go on to watch videos, and if you don't like the fact that I'm sharing my opinion on your video, don't post any videos. Okay, thanks.